I'm gonna take 2 pumps, apply it to it starting at the end, then work my way up. But I'm not gonna go all the way to the root because that's the whole point of me blow drying it, is for my hair to be kind of stretched at the root. At the end, as you see, it's gonna revert back. But as long as the root is still stretched, it's fine. Take your Flexi rod and put it at the base. You're gonna just hold it really tight. Start wrapping it. But you want to make sure it's like smooth. You don't want it to be like bunched up and stuff. And keep it tight at the root. And once you start getting lower, you can apply some more. One more pump and smooth it through, and then comb it, and then let it wrap. When the ends are wet like this, you can tell like it's gonna come out better. This way you can see it's smooth. Bend it. If I feel like I need a little bit up here, I'll put a little bit, just like a little bit, so it won't be so frizzy. But I'm still not trying to go all the way like to my root.